My name is Rahul Singh. I'm one of the co-founders at ideaForge, and I head all the engineering efforts at ideaForge. My story started with ideaForge when I met my co-founders back during my time at IIT Bombay, doing my undergrad there. And we found a group of people with a common passion of playing with technology and creating impactful products. And that's what we have been doing all this while till today. And that's how ideaForge started long back. ideaForge was incorporated back in 2007, and we specialize in a domain of making high-performance unmanned aerial systems, popularly known as drones, for various government and enterprise applications. Today, an ideaForge drone takes off every 3 minutes, be it day or night, holiday or a working day. That's an area which makes us feel our sense of accomplishment, because our mission, our vision is to drive the adoption of drones by pushing the limits of the technology and create unmanned aerial systems which create scalable impact. So for doing so, over the years, we have created a lot of in-house competency. Our drones are one of the most indigenous and highest performing drones in their category. We make our own autopilots to payloads, from communication systems to GCS softwares. So that gives our teams the ability to create and optimize systems unrivaled by most people globally. And that has enabled us to create products which today serve a lot of mission critical applications. So as I mentioned that a drone takes off every 3 minutes, these drones are doing some of the other mission critical applications, from our highest altitude bordering areas to the hottest and the coldest areas in the country, and also helping various industries doing applications like survey grade mapping, industrial inspections, mining and infrastructure project progress monitoring kind of applications. In line with that, we have a division of our company incorporated in the US as well, where we are taking our products created in India and delivering them for applications in the US market. And that confidence comes from our ability to create global best products here in India. And we have confidence that even in a comparative market like the North American US market, we would be able to create differentiated product offerings which will give us a comparative edge in that market. So elaborating a bit more on our vision of being unrivaled in the unmanned aerial systems and driving adoption, what we see as our impact is the scalability and the outcomes of the mission success that we create at the end user. Our product philosophy is based on the pillars of 3 key areas. First is performance, second is reliability, and third is autonomy. We feel that these 3 are the most important and differentiating aspects for products to create scalable impacts. So performance would essentially represent performing the best outcomes for a given category, for a given product class. Reliability goes without saying, is very important when you're doing scalable operations. If you're doing, we believe that in the next few years there'll be millions of drone operations happening every year, and scalable reliability becomes an essential part of that. And autonomy, because as the scalable operations happen, the load on the human operator should become lesser and lesser. So we believe in a future of highly automated operations, reducing the cognitive load on the human operators. So based on these 3, we think we could push a future of millions of operations every year, and drones creating very scalable impacts. So another aspect in our effort to drive our vision of being unrivaled in the domain of unmanned aerial systems is our effort on the innovation and the IP that we create. All of the work that we've done so far has resulted in numerous trade secrets, but beyond that, we still have about 81 plus national and international patents to our names. In recognition to this effort, we got the National Intellectual Property Awards in 2020 given by the Indian Patent Office, and eventually we also got a National Technology Award given by the Department of Science and Technology in the year 2023. This effort is also recognized globally by us getting a rank of 3rd globally in dual use drones given by an industry insights agency. What also shows our effort in pushing the boundaries here is, in most cases, we have taken initiative or leadership position in moving to a type of technology which moves the needle by a significant quantum in favor of either user friendliness or higher performance, reliability, and autonomy. The one example of that is way back in 2009 or earlier is when we started working on a core total platform and launched our first product in 2009, at a time when quadrotor products in India were not made by anyone at all. Everyone used to focus on fixed-wing aircraft, which were the easier and more prevalent platforms for aerial intelligence. We were the first company to indigenously design, develop, and manufacture complete VTOL drones, a quadrotor, back in 2009. And we kept on repeating such initiatives over the years. One of the other examples was our hybrid aircraft switch. We were one of the first companies to take voluntary action in pushing towards hybrid vertical takeoff and landing fixed-wing aircraft, which increases the performance yet availability of the platform for our users. So with those initiatives, we hope that we'll keep on pushing the limits of unmanned systems and create unparalleled outcomes and impact for our target customers. Thank you.